Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, The Media Nerd. This is episode number 3 on how to edit with Final Cut Pro 10. And today we are going to be importing media for the first time. Now, if you haven't seen episode 1 or episode 2 and you're absolutely new at Final Cut, then I highly recommend you watch those 2 videos before you watch this one. Now, before we open up Final Cut, what we're going to want to do is create a place for our project to live. Now, I have an external hard drive attached to my Mac. It's called Travel Drive, and I want to create a new folder for that. So I'm going to go to File right here, say New Folder. It will come up with Untitled Folder. I'm going to call this My First Project. Now within that folder, I'm going to create 2 new folders, and go ahead and do that as well. File, New Folder, File, New Folder. So you can just click and highlight and say this one is footage. That is where all of your video is going to go that you import. And the untitled folder number 2, highlight that and call that exports. When you're finished with your project and you export it, that is where it's going to go. All right, we finished doing that, which is great. Now, there are 3 places that your video can come from. It can come already on your computer, or it can come from an SD card from your camera, or it can come from your phone. Now that I told you that there's 3 different ways to import media into Final Cut, I'm just going to show you one way to do it, and that is because I'm assuming that you already digitized like a VHS tape and you want to do some editing to it, so you already have the media on your computer. I have this fishing intro right here on my desktop, and here's my first project. I already went ahead and I drug this fishing intro into my footage folder to save a little time for this demonstration. So now what we want to do is open up Final Cut. And it almost always opens up with Untitled Project or Untitled Library. I always close that because I want to start fresh. So we're going to go File, New Library, and we're going to save it under My First Project, and we're going to call it My First Project. I'm going to hit Save. Now here's the event folder. We're going to name that My First Project. You don't have to name it. You can leave the date the same. So now what I want to do is I want to skip the creating a project for now, and I want to import my media. So I can go into File and Import Media and choose the travel drive. That's my drive, and it's already highlighted. Here's My First Project. So we go under Footage, and here's the fishing intro. Now it says copy to library up here on the right, or it says leave files in place. Now because I already have the file on the computer, I really don't need to copy it to the library because it's just going to copy the entire file into the library. It can be for safekeeping. It's whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. I do leave files in place. It saves a little time. And I'm going to say import. Now here is my video clip right here called Fishing Intro. And we're going to use the inspector for the first time now. So here's the little eye right here, right beside the speaker. And it's going to tell me a little information about this video. 1920 by 1080 is the resolution. and the frame rate is 59.94p. That is what we want to make our project, just like the video clip, so it's all copacetic. It's all the same. So now we're going to go to File and New Project. And we can name this again, My First Project. My First Project. And here's the video. I know that it was shot at 1080p. And here's the resolution, 1920 by 1080. If I look up here, it says 1920 by 1080 is my video file information. And the frame rate right here, it says 59.94, and right here is 59.94. So we know that it's all the same. Now here it is, My First Project. And in the timeline, right here in this toolbar area, it says My First Project right there. So all we do is we can hold down on the mouse and drag it right into place, just like that. Or you can hit your W and it'll drop it right into place like that.
Good morning. It is a beautiful morning, November 16th, 2024. I am in Bonita Springs, Florida.
It's an old video. That's okay. So we have the video in place. Everything is great, and just say this is exactly what we want. We're not doing any kind of editing at this point, and we want to export the video now so we can share it later on. So we can do one of two things. We can go to File, and we can go Share, Export File, and click on that, or we can hit the Command and the E key at the same time, and that will export it the exact same way. But since I'm on this, I'm just going to hit E. There we go. And we're going to hit Settings. And for the format, we want the video and audio. You can do video only, you can do audio only, but we want the video and the audio. And under video codec, I'm going to choose H.264. And that's going to give me a smaller file size on the computer. It says 516.3 megabytes right here. If you go to Apple ProRes, which is sort of standard for Apple, it's going to increase that file size to 4 gigabytes. I don't want that. I just want the H.264. And it's still going to keep the resolution as 1920 by 1080, what we shot at. It's going to look great. I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to choose the folder that I want to save this in. And right here under Exports, under the My First Project, and Save. Now it's going to take just a couple minutes for it to export it, and you can watch that by hitting your Command 9, and it brought up the background tasks, and it's sharing, and so you can see that it's sharing. And there's also a couple other little nice things in the background tasks. It'll show you importing media, how long that's going to take, and rendering. If you're doing any kind of special effects and it needs to render, then you can watch it render that way and how long it's going to take. So it's going to take a little bit of time to export this video. So we just have to wait. All right, it finished exporting the video or sharing the video. So what we can do is minimize Final Cut. We can just say hide Final Cut for now. And we can find our video, which is under My First Project, and Exports. And there it is. You can hit the space bar to watch it.
Good morning. It is a beautiful morning, November 16th, 2024. I am in Bonita Springs, Florida today.
And that is it. Now let's just go back to Final Cut and hit Final and quit Final Cut. And you just imported and exported your first video. Isn't that exciting? So that wasn't too difficult, was it? Importing video for your first time. And I did it using the video right off the hard drive. Now, if you want to learn how to import video from an SD card or from your cell phone, please let me know in the comment section and I will be more than happy to show you that as well. Now, in episode 4, I'm going to be teaching how to add titles and doing some special effects like dissolves and fades. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And I hope you have a wonderful time editing. See you in episode 4.